So this is going to be a quickie refurb on the Mickey Thompson Valve Covers that I use. I had to take them off my car because the other ones that I had planned to use on the motor that I'm building don't clear the valve train. So I figured I'd just give these a quick spray and shoot, and I'll just show you what I'm doing to make them. They'll be 3-footers. They ain't going to be show quality, but they'll be looking pretty good. No, I just sprayed them. I cleaned them clean as I could get them, and I sprayed them down with some primer and a nice coat of black engine paint. I don't know if a guy needed to do. A guy probably could have just used regular rattle can paint, but anyway, I had this black engine paint, so I used it, and they turned out fine for what they are. You can see a little bit of a run there, but that's going to be on the bottom side. Nobody's going to see that anyway. What the main thing I wanted to do was show you what I'm doing with the raised portion. Anybody that's familiar with these Mickey Thompson valve covers knows that raised portion is usually left raw aluminum. So we'll get back and I'll show you the way I'm doing that. Now I did this once before, and one of the big things when you're trying to get rid of the black paint off the raised portions of those valve covers, a guy's got to be slow and careful, and it can pretty easily get away on you and make it so that you're having to repaint the whole damn thing and start again. So this is how I handled it, and it's gonna be just about right. I just took a fairly new, fairly squared off flap wheel on my cheapy Canadian Tire drill, and nothing goes super high RPM and nothing really gets too out of hand, but that's what I'm going to start with anyway, just to see if I can't make these turn out like something. First little bit I done looks pretty good. One of the big things, these ends, you can see they're kind of tapered off to a spear, and I wanted to make sure that kind of maintained that look to a degree. But that's just a start. We'll see how these are gonna look when I'm done with them. So that's it. It looks like $1,000,000. Even up close, you know, it's not perfect. What I did try and do though, whenever I was moving my flap disc along there, I tried to maintain the same direction because I wanted it to have as close as it could to that brushed aluminum type of look where everything's sort of going the same way. I'm pretty happy with it. Again, like I always say, my car is not a show car, but just little things like this make me happy. Now, one thing I have to say, I should have let the paint harden a little more. Typical me, I got impatient. It worked, turned out good, but it would have been a heck of a lot easier cleaning off those raised portions if the paint had been nice and hard. It got smeary a little bit, and I went to a higher speed drill just because I got sick of screwing around with that slower one. But had the paint been nice and hard and cured, I wouldn't have had to do that. So anyways, hope you got something out of that. If you like the stuff I do, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, all that YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching.